What's up, y'all? Mechanics Garage. We on the move. Look at this. We got to do some roadside today. Unfortunately, we got a customer who's tired and got flat on the freeway. And further back, it's like 4 more cars with flat tires. Ridiculous. So we about to try to help her out, see if we can figure out what's going on. All right, guys, we got the jack in place. Try to jack her up, get this wheel off. Hopefully we can see if it's got something stuck in it. We're gonna find out here in a second. Looks like she's in a safe spot on the road, so you gotta worry about traffic coming at us. All right, guys, we had to get a used tire. We down here at Brown's Tire Center on Harvard in Cleveland. That tire had a split on the side. It's like on the inner part of the sidewall, so ain't a way they can fix that. So we about to get a used tire from up in here and see if they can put that on here for us. So hopefully we should be in and out not too long. Yeah, this lady in front of us, this is her tire right here, off her passenger side. But shit, she need a driver's side one too. I saw that, I was like, hey man, you might want to tell her that one because that looks terrible. But this is the tire right here that came off the car on the sidewall. There's like a split right here. So they said they got some other tires. We're gonna go ahead and see if we can get that put on real quick. All right, we got the tire in here. We're gonna go ahead and cash out and then go get back to the car to get this bad boy on there. So we about to go hit the road.
What's going on, y'all? Mechanics Garage. So we out fixing the tire, and apparently it's something in the freeway here because it is multiple cars on the side of the road here. Yeah, there was more cars here than this. It was about 4 or 5 cars here. So whatever they're doing right here, they're patching the roads, trying to help whatever's going on. So we are back at it. Get up here and fix this flat.
All right, see, we got the new tire. Well, it's a used tire. This one got a little bit of a bubble in it, but it should be okay for right now. We just need to get her something she can ride on for a few weeks until she can buy some new tires. We'll see how this tire is looking over here. It's not bad, but the car could probably use some new tires soon. So we're gonna go ahead and hook this back up, put her back on, and get her back on the road. All right, y'all, we got her all wrapped up. Check us out, follow us, like and subscribe. She's back on the road, so we about to get out of here. Peace.